Now this is continuation from my other video. Now she didn't came around the corner. Now she using it. We should have got 3 of them. It was only $1. Anyway, watch my back scratcher video. So I had hid these away. My mom had bought. She gave me these Sunday, and I keep forgetting because I had hid them away. But check this out, y'all. Her's funnel cake flavored snack balls, sweet and crunchy. They always coming up with something. Experience all the deliciousness of Carnival Classic in each bite, containing powdered sugar and just the right amount of crunch. Her's funnel cake snack balls to take anywhere, enjoy anytime, snack. In fact, they are so delicious you can almost hear the whir of Carnival rides with every bite. I know you'll enjoy eating them as much as we enjoy making them. In fact, I personally guarantee it. Ed Herr, President CEO. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this has cornmeal, vegetable oil. This is seasoning, which is sugar, brown sugar, natural flavor, non-fat milk, butter. It's got butter in it, y'all. Vanilla flavor, natural flavor, caramel color. Alright, so if you guys are interested in seeing the nutrition facts, those are the nutrition facts. And I want to say she got these from Food Lion, so I'm not really sure where she got them. Smells good. It smells like it smells like Rice Krispie treat.
Ah.
Alright, so what they look like. Kind of small. Tastes like cereal, basically. You want that?
Sure. Why not?
It's throwing me off because I'm thinking about a cheese ball, and I'm expecting a cheese flavor. What do you think? Tastes like cereal?
Yeah, but it tastes excellent though.
Ooh, I got some more. I got one with more flavor on it that time, y'all.
That was good.
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
It is good. I would suggest it. Now, as far as it tastes like a funnel cake,
More like
it tastes like a churro or something.
Yeah.
Cereal, churro.
Fruit Loops.
No, not fruit. Fruit Loops are fruity. And it's actually light and airy. So this bag probably won't be around long. What else I'm gonna say about it? Oop. So you know if it got butter in it, you can't go wrong, right? Nothing like a funnel cake, though. It's nothing like a funnel cake. What?
Huh?
What?
I'm sorry.
What? What? Something happened? Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you ever seen these, or you think you will look for these, let me know. And, yeah, have a good day.